This is the video that will finally help you play any DRM-protected WMA file without getting stuck. If your audio files refuse to open or show protection errors, stay with me because this will make everything very simple. Are you also facing this problem where your WMA file won't play because DRM protection blocks it? This usually happens when a license file is missing, Windows Media DRM is outdated, or the file was moved from another PC without the original rights. Many people get frustrated because the song looks fine, but it refuses to open, and every player shows the same error again and again. You may see many solutions online, but most of them are complicated. They ask you to install old media packs, use risky converters, or follow long registry steps that are hard to understand. When I faced this problem, those methods wasted my time. But I solved it with one secret, easy trick that lets you play DRM-protected WMA files smoothly without breaking anything or losing quality. If you wanted to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing this easy trick, just comment down below. I will explain everything clearly so even a beginner can follow it. And for more simple PC and media fixes like this, stay connected with my channel Rexish because I always share easy ways to solve problems fast and safely.